Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be a CurlBox unboxing. So last month actually I signed up for CurlBox. I just happened to be scrolling through my Instagram and I seen that CurlBox had gave away the whole Aunt Jackie grapeseed oil line. So I was like, oh, CurlBox is the truth. Like, they're giving out whole full-size products for the whole line. So then I started doing a little bit of research on CurlBox and seeing that they was giving out, that they give out full-size products every month. Like either a whole line of something or pretty much a whole line of something, or at least like most of the important parts of the line. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and sign up for CurlBox. So when I went to the website, it was not any available openings. So basically you had to go on the waiting list and then they let you know when there are openings for you to sign up. So I went on the waiting list, I signed up, put my email address in and stuff, and I just was waiting. So I got an email like, okay, our list is open, go ahead and sign up. So I signed up, paid my $25 and got me a package. So CurlBox is it's $20 a month and $5 for shipping. So basically $25 a month, and you get products each month for your curly hair. So I am not a new natural, but I am a new I'm on a natural hair journey now, where I'm going to actually be styling my natural hair, wearing my natural hair out and stuff like that. So I was like, well, this is cool for me to actually do. And then I'm also going to be doing my YouTube. So I wanted to, make sure this is another way for me to get content, another way for me to use products and stuff like that. So with all that being said, I got a package in the mail from CurlBox sometime this month. I'm not exactly sure when. It was like they ship it out on, I think, the 12th of each month. So I got it sometime like 5 days after they shipped it. Your payment is taken out right after your I think the payment is taken out the 15th of each month, and then the product is shipped on the 12th of the next month. So every like 15th through the 20th, you'll get a package from CurlBox. So I forgot what was in here because it, like, on the website is weird the way it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and just go ahead and open up the box. So I know a lot of people already have CurlBox videos and stuff like that, but just in case this is your first time, this is what the box looks like. It says CurlBox on it. It's so cute. It's very heavy because, like I said, all the products are full-size products. It just comes in a regular brown box, but it comes in this box like this. So I forgot what was in the August box, so let's go ahead and open this up. Of course, I don't have anything. Okay, got it. All right, so first and foremost, you get some pamphlets. You get this CurlBox, and then you get, oh, I thought this was coming in the September box. So hold on. Oh, I thought this was coming in the September box, but this is actually I'm assuming it's the August box. I thought this was the September box. So I seen on the Instagram that they had these products, and I thought this was for next month's box, September box, but this is actually the August box. I'm confused because I thought it was different products that I seen on the website. So actually the Aunt Jackie products was the June box, and then the July box was these other products, and this is the August box. Got it. All right, so this is the natural hair the length retention system from cocoa butter. So everybody knows about Palmer's cocoa butter. I know y'all be having that cocoa butter on, okay? I used to wear this lotion back in the day. So so this is a whole line, but they didn't send the whole line. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, a cream styler, a styling nectar, I believe that's what that says, a shine glaze serum, a leave-in conditioner, and they have a 2-step hair mask. So we're gonna see what they get, what we got in this box. All right, so in this box, oh, we have 5 products in this box, y'all. 5. All right, so first let me just show y'all what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't fall. So you open up the box, everything is in it like this. Oh my gosh, this is like Christmas in August. Okay. All right, so this is the Shine Glaze Serum, and it claims to lock in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair. So that's that. And then you got your shampoo here. So this claims it's a gentle moisturizing conditioner, and it's color safe. All right, then you got your conditioner and instant moisture and adds softness. Okay, then you got your leave-in, detangler, heat protected, and moisturizer. Okay, and then here you have a cream styler, and this is a creamy formula for coil definition, and this is also color safe, but I don't have any color, so that's not important. Anyways, this is everything. I'm excited to try this out. I don't know when I'm going to, probably on my next wash day, and of course I'm gonna record a video of me doing that. So yes guys, I hope you go ahead and sign up for CurlBox so it could be Christmas in August? No, not August. Christmas in September for you next month, or October, or whenever Christmas every month, like it's about to be for me. I'm actually gonna save these boxes to keep my products in, and I'm just gonna write what's in each one. So this one is the cocoa butter line. So yeah guys, that is everything. I can't wait to show these products to you on camera and let you guys see how they work for my 4C, okay, low porosity hair. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I thought this was coming next month. I would have been opened this. I didn't even know that's what this was. I thought it was coming next month, but I'm glad I did, because it's literally the end of the month. Like this is the last day of the month that I'm recording this video, so I had to go ahead and get this video out. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry if I'm like sounding rushed, but I have to actually leave in a few to go get my son off the bus. But thank you so much for watching. If you have not, before you click off this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time that I post a new video. And welcome to the family. Welcome. So happy that you're here. Please stay a while. Promise you won't be disappointed. Please, please, I'm begging. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.